When our customers get excited about the top-level customer service they received and leave a 5-star review online, it really makes an impact on our staff. And in turn, we love to share that experience with others. This customer was so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. And here's what our customer had to say in our latest rave online review. Our staff works hard to deliver top-quality service and optimal value. It's just one more bit of evidence that we're on the right track with our company-wide emphasis on quality and client satisfaction. One of the keys to our success is that we place our focus on our customers. It's how we earn our great reviews and how we'll earn yours, too. Thank you for dropping in today. We're looking forward to doing business with you. We are only one call away from serving you.